Welcome to another Quirky Van Man video, and this time it's the Mercedes Westfalia James Cook Campervan edition. Let's go! Come on, have a look! This is a 1998. It's huge inside. It's quite rare in the UK. There's only one of 20. This is one of 20, sorry. Quite a rarity. Converted by Westfalia from new, so it's always been a campervan. It's called the James Cook edition because that is based on Captain James Cook, who conquered the world back in the 1700s. I think it was 1700s. And it's got the bulletproof 3-litre diesel engine, turbodiesel engine. It's the UM602 engine, which is the 5-cylinder diesel. Perfect. It's a purrer, 120 horsepower. It's also mated to the 4-speed automatic gearbox. It's also left-hand drive because it's very rare in the UK. Look at this. We got a rare, collectible. Let's take an outside tour. Take a tour around the outside. So, first off, its size. Length is 5.6 metres. Quite short, not too bad. So, you get cheap on a ferry if it's under 6 metres. Win. Height. As you can see, it's got the Elvis quiff on the front, so that means it's got a lot of room inside. 3.1 metres high. Awning for picnics. Truma water heater. Vent on the roof. This on clips, that gives you hot water. So being a 5.6 metre van, it's quite short, and we've made up for a lot of living space. But trade-off is you lose a bit of boot space, because obviously we've got the wall for the toilet block here, and the gas bottle goes in here. But we still get all the chairs and tables underneath, because it goes right underneath the toilet and into underneath the kitchen. So loads of space still. Scooter, helmet, picnic table. We're okay. Got it all. Ciao, ciao. Electrics 240 in. Water in for the 100-litre water tank. Big brackets and straps. Hold surfboard. Must learn how to surf. Must learn how to surf. Must learn how to surf. Fresh water dumping. Diesel heater for night time. Toasty. It's got the Elvis quiff, baby. The Elvis quiff, baby. You ain't never been a hound dog. So I think this, personally, is the best layout for a camper van. Come and see what you think. Let's have a look. Welcome to the lounge. Currently I'm sat on the 3-seater bench seat, which has 3 travel seat belts from standard, and it also has 2 captain's chairs at the front, which means they swivel round. I haven't seen a modern van with this amount of legroom. I'm 6 foot and I can easily put my legs out for travelling. The new vans don't have that. So 2 captain seats, both swivel around. You might notice it's also left-hand drive. It's very rare, never imported into the UK originally, so this is straight from Germany, and it came into the country in 2005. So again, look at the height of this. Now with the Elvis quiff, it gives a lot of extra room. So it's 3.1 metres high in total on the outside. But look, I've still got an extra 1.5 foot above my head. 3 skylights. We've got the big glass panel here, proper glass. We've got the winder here. We've also got one in the bathroom. I'll show you that in a minute. You'll like that. Lots of space in here. Cupboard. Chest fridge. Powered by 12-volt battery. And look at the size of this hanging wardrobe. We've got extra cupboards down here, more space up here, hanging rail. It's big. Cutlery. Cupboard. You get the idea. Lots of cupboards. 2-burner gas hob. Water. Powered by 12-volt again. Drainer with storage underneath. One of the good things we like about this van is all the space we have in the kitchen. So transporter size van would probably have the gas burner, the kitchen sink, and a small prep area. For this one, we've got a lot of prep area. Nice. Now, I'm going to have to warn you, this isn't for everyone. This is the bathroom. It's got a pink bathroom suite. Running water, hot and cold. For drying your clothes, it's obviously got the heat in for the diesel heater, and we've also got the washing line as well to dry your clothes, which clips up here. This van has 2 large beds. One here, one there. Let me show you. Quite easy to set up. You undo the clip, pull forward. You raise this part. And then you release this clip. That goes forwards. Ta-da! Lots of space. Big enough for 2. I'm 6 foot. Easy. Underneath this bed cushion is the water tank and the leisure batteries. That's just in here. So you've got 100 litres water and you've got 2 big AGM leisure batteries. Let's now do the top bed. So this bed is actually bigger than downstairs. absolutely massive. Again, 6 foot, no problem at all. Plenty of room to roll. 2 side opening windows upstairs as well. All windows in the back are double glazed, so no condensation. And we've also got a lovely big nighttime blackout blind to block out the sun. And that, but I'm not doing that. And ingenious places to store things. The table lives in here. Ta-da! Dinner time. So there you have it. For 1998, the James Cook Westfalia. There you have it. The 1998 James Cook Westfalia Campervan. What do you think? I think personally this is the best layout for families. Give you a lot of space for not a big footprint. The big high top roof is fantastic for the double bed. For length, so you can get on ferries for cheaper because it's on the 6 meters. And yeah, it's a good old van. If you were to purchase this van now, it will be, for the new edition, over 120 grand. So what do you think? How much do you think we pay for this one? Old school, 3 litre turbo diesel engine, automatic 4-speed gearbox, power steering, armrest. What more can you want? Easy. It's a cruiser. Spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right. That's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon with another quirky van video. Goodbye. Is that okay?